How to get a refund on TEMU without returning items. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TEMU on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the headphones-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, simply scroll down and press on Contact Us. After you've pressed on Contact Us, you'll find this kind of screen here. I get a refund, type and send. After that, it will ask you your product. You can simply select your product and give a valid reason why you want refund without returning. After that, if they verify, you will get a refund. This is how to get a refund on TEMU without returning item. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.